For anyone non-techie out there that wants to sink their teeth into Claude design, this one's for you. So there's been a lot of hype around Claude design replacing designers, and this is not true for the moment. I've also seen a lot of hype online about the first time people used Claude design, they said it was really shit. And to be honest, it was. But as ever with Anthropic, they have really leveled up what they're doing, and I'm going to tell you exactly how to use it properly now. At the moment, there are three main tab options. Number one is prototyping. This is good for building wireframes that might eventually become websites. Number two is slide decks, probably the most applicable one. This is building PowerPoint presentations, proposal presentations, stuff like that. And then there's a third one where you can kind of just create anything. And another really cool thing about this is whatever you choose to create, you can then send it to Canva and continue to edit it there. So it can do like 90% of the work, and then you can add some flair and stuff on top in Canva. Or if you're building a website, you can send it to Claude Code, and then you can actually start building the website as a proper web app. What sits at the heart of this, which is the most important thing to set up when you start, is a design system. These are essentially pre-arranged style guides. So let's say that your company has a certain way that you like to do PowerPoint presentations. If you save that as a style guide, I'm talking font size, color, imagery used, logos, all of that jazz, tone of voice, it means it will save that, and every time you build a new presentation, it's just going to replicate that style. They recently moved it from being web only. You'd have to go to claude.ai/design, but they've recently moved this into the app. So if you have the downloaded Claude app, you will see Claude Design in the bottom left corner. So this is an amazing product, but it's absolutely not replacing designers. And this is because when you create those initial design systems, you still have to do the designing part. What it will then do is just replicate that across every single new presentation or wireframe that you create, making it much quicker for you to whip up good designs, but it's not doing the heavy lifting for you in terms of the design work. And if you want a complete beginner's guide to Claude Design, then drop design in the comments and I'll DM you. Bye.